Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Instagram notification sound. To get started, go to your Profile tab. Once inside your profile, click on the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. After that, navigate to the Settings and Activity section, scroll down, and select the option labeled Notifications. From there, choose any notification category, for example, Post, Stories, and Comments. Scroll down and click on the option that says Additional Options in System Settings. This will redirect you to your phone's notification settings for Instagram. Here you can select any notification type, for instance, the Instagram Direct option. Once inside, you'll notice the ringtone is set to default. To change it, click on the ringtone setting and select a sound that suits you best. For example, you can explore classic themes and choose a notification tone you like. After selecting your preferred notification sound, simply go back and enjoy your new Instagram notification tone. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.